And well, it is the end of the 10-day festivities of Ganesh Chaturthi today, and processions for the immersion of Lord Ganesh idols began in Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra amid tight security and fanfare. Devotees thronged the streets of Mumbai, especially on the main road leading to the Giregaon beach, in large numbers as they were eager to catch the final glimpse of the elaborately adorned idols of the elephant-headed god. Now, over 20,000 police personnel have been deployed in Mumbai to thwart any untoward incident during the processions. The Mumbai police have drone surveillance on in many parts where the immersion sites are at the Giregaon Chowpatty, Dadar, Bandra Juhu with a network of more than 8,000 CCTV cameras. And for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Shah sent us this report from Mumbai.
The final day of Ganesh Chaturthi is here, which essentially means it's time to bid farewell and say goodbye to our favorite idol, Lord Ganesha. And we are here in Juhu Beach, which is one of the famous immersion sites where the Visarjan is taking place. And as you can see, from large-sized Ganpati idols to even smaller and medium-sized Ganpati idols, the immersion process is taking place with the devotees coming in from all over the city. And it's an emotion moment here. It's an emotional moment because they worship the Lord for 10 long days with happiness, with emotions, with dance, with devotion, with prayers. And now it's time to say goodbye. And here we can hear them chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria and also saying Pucha Varshi Lokarya, which essentially means, "Dear Lord, please come again next year." So this is how the immersion process is taking place in Mumbai, with also other than 68 sites being there, including beaches and including lakes as well. We also know that there are more than 200 artificial ponds that have been built by the municipal body to immerse the eco-friendly idols. And lastly, to check the security, to ensure that no untoward situation takes place, more than 24,000 police personnel have been deployed across the city to manage the entire immersion situation. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha Shah reporting here for WION World is One from Mumbai.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.